guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a strange name for a product, RaGu mic combo kit. This is an 8-in-1 combo kit. Comes with everything you need to start streaming to your audience. Now when I say everything you need, it comes with the arm, the USB sound device, the microphone, the cable, the pop filter, foam to cover the microphone. It's a low cost and actually pretty impressive sound for this microphone. And I'll show you how it works. I will be recording to something different, probably using OBS, recording it, letting you listen to how it sounds, and then coming back here. I'm impressed. It sounds really good, so let's get to it. Hey guys, we're testing the RaGu non-source setup here. A pop filter, microphone, the arm, the cable that came with it, the USB sound device that came with it is plugged into a USB 3.0 port on the front of my PC here, the 1950X right here. And it's an analog microphone, and it sounds freaking great. This is a sub $35, everything you need. Everything that you need is right here. And you can get started streaming to the audience with this setup. It's inexpensive. It works really well. That's the best part about this. Under $35 and you get this. Pop filter. Is it stopping the sound? Now if I remove it, is it stopping it? I guess it is. Yes, it is. So the pop filter works. This is a great value. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. Comes with the foam as well if you didn't want to show everybody off your beautiful awesomeness microphone. Gold. But I personally like the gold. It looks nice. But anyway, this is a great value. I'll have a link in the description below to get this. Let's get back to the review. All right, it's still set up here. So, I think you guys should get this. If you're looking for an inexpensive microphone setup, this is the way to go. I'm really, truly impressed with it. I can't say much more about it. I just can't believe that this little USB thing worked. I can't believe it. That little cheap little thing made this microphone sound amazing. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you plan on joining JoeteckTips, go right ahead. The link is below. If you're running iOS on your phone, there's a link in the description below to join. However, if you're running a PC or Android, you can just click that join button and do what you like. And that is the way it is. By the way, Zachary Noose created this ending music. And we are out. Take care.